Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. So today we're talking about a new phone coming out. Yes guys, as you can see, it is the LG Stylo 4 Plus. So yes guys, very leaked information here thanks to Miss Paula Manso. I did get this information from her. She sent me this information, so let me see it. I can kind of share it with you here. I'm not gonna show everything just because it's confidential information, but it is thanks to Miss Paula Manso. So thank you for sharing this information with me. I wasn't even paying attention to it. So, like I said, you guys are what really helps the channel grow. So, I want to thank all the community for helping me and kind of letting me leak this information. So, like I said, I would be nothing without you guys. So, thank you so much. But let's get on to the video, guys. So, I don't rant so much. So, as you can see, guys, this is going to be, the LG Stylo 4 Plus. Sorry for my hair. This is going to be the LG Stylo 4 Plus. So, let's go ahead and look at some of the specs. I have some of the specs here. Like I said, leaked images from it. Like I said, I will cover some of it up. So it says the LG Stylo 4 Plus. So they're back, I believe, when the rumored LG Stylo 4 was going to come out. There was also rumors of the LG Stylo 4 Plus, but nobody really knew about it, and I think they kind of forgot about it. Um, a lot of people thought of the LG Thin Q to be it, or yeah, LG. They're like, is that going to be the Stylo 4? And everybody kind of had their speculations, but no, guys, it's finally official. This is the LG Stylo 4 Plus. And let me read you a little bit about it. So if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my phone screen. Like I said, I will put a little bit of the information here so you can read along with me. So it says the LG Stylo 4 Plus is a device that fits your lifestyle. No matter how big your life is, create more, play more, live more. It's more than a phone. It's your best life in the palm of your hand. Wow, that's big, bold statements for something like this. Honestly, I think the LG Stylo 4 was a letdown to many people, at least the Boost Mobile variant, just because of the dumbed down specs, I would say, or the washed down specs. But I think the LG Stylo 4 is going to redeem itself. So let's get into it and see what kind of specs. So large display, sleek design, innovative camera, intuitive features. So the display, you might be asking what kind of display this will have. So the display is going to be a 6.2-inch full vision TFT full HD plus 2160 by 1080. Wow. 18 by 9 ratio. So the camera, the rear is going to be a 16 megapixel PDAF. The front's going to be a 5 megapixel wide angle lens. So I mean, the cameras did improve a little bit. So it did go up to 16 megapixels for the rear, 5 in the front. I wish they could have done at least an 8 in the front. But the battery, let's see the battery. It's a 3,300 milliamp battery. So look at that. Polymer with fast charging. So guys, this is the one that's going to have fast charging. The original LG Stylo 4 did not have it. When it came out to Boost Mobile, it is going to be IP68 dust and water resistant. The processor is going to be a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core MediaTek MT67505. Memory, you will get 32 gigabytes of internal storage, or ROM. You will get 3 gigabytes of RAM. So guys, this is what the LG Stylo 4 for Boost should have had. This is the beefed up specs. Like I said, look at that. It has a better camera, fast charging, which the original Stylo 4 for Boost did not have. That's crazy. This is gonna be water resistant and dust resistant, and it will have 3 gigs of RAM. So compared to 2 gigs of RAM, I think there's gonna be a difference. And hopefully I can get this phone for you. You already know I'm gonna get this phone for you guys so you can unbox it. Even though I already have the unlocked variant of the Stylo 4 here. Like I said, this does work at Boost Mobile. On Boost Mobile, I did test it out. I'm testing it out on Simple Mobile right now to test out T-Mobile network, but as well I'm testing out Boost Mobile on it, and it works perfectly fine. So let's see some key features. Like I said, it's a 6.2-inch full vision TFT full HD 2160 by 1080. It's a 18 by 9 ratio, full size. Water resistant. Weight's gonna be 6.03 ounces, so it might be a little heavy. Available color is blue. Wow. And I'm looking at the color, guys. It is a blue. It's pretty cool. So like, this design is a black carbon on the Boost Mobile Stylo. You will be able to get it in blue color. So there's not much more specs, but I am going to read a little bit of it here. Rear camera, it's quick capture with 16 megapixel PDAF and single LED flash. PDAF phase detect autofocus. Wow, so it's gonna have autofocus resolution up to 4160 by 3120 pixels. Digital zoom up to 4 times. Burst shots, so hold the shutter button and takes multiple shots. Gesture in interval shots, so take 4 selfies in sequences by making a fist twice. Gesture view, selfie light, screen illuminate for well lit selfies. Wow, so it's either gonna have front facing flash or just it's gonna illuminate the screen. I think it's just gonna do illuminate the screen is what it's saying here, guys. So who knows? Beauty shot, so just setting softness, facial features. Image editor, so adjust the color, contrast ratio, and crop your images. Portrait mode, so wow, it's gonna have the portrait mode. It's basically gonna blur out like the background and stuff. Sorry for my hair, I just got out of the shower, so that's why I was trying to fix it earlier. But and the Q lens as well. So that's all the information I have for it right now, guys. You might be saying, when's it gonna come out, Dragonic? We don't know. This is just some leaked specs on it right now. So honestly, I wouldn't even suggest the LG Stylo 4 on Boost Mobile, the regular one. I would say get the LG Stylo 4 Plus, and I'll tell you why in tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that, guys. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Basically, that one's gonna have the same specs as the unlocked full version one, the one I'm currently testing out, and I am gonna do gaming reviews and a full review and all that stuff. But overall, like I said, I don't want to spoil too much, but as you can see, there it is right there. This is, like I said, the unlocked variant of the Stylo 4, but can't wait to get the LG Stylo 4 Plus, which is basically going to have some of these specs in this one. Actually, it's going to have a better camera than this one, so I can't wait to get that one, guys, in the office to show you guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I am still going to get the LG Stylo 4, the Boost Mobile variant, for you guys so I can unbox it and review it and all that stuff. So stay tuned for a lot more videos. I am also working on the Moto E5 Plus review, so that one should be up pretty soon, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off, and let me know what you think about the studio, kind of readjusting a couple things. So thank you.